Welcome, this is Troy. It is April 13th, and I wanted to do a quick review of our trade pattern alert today that we won. Those of you who took it, I'm sure we're very glad to see a win. Now, you could have won any number of times in this particular trade, but first, let's actually go through what it took to get into the trade. First of all, I wanted to make sure that I had marked my trend lines on my majors. So here's a valley, here's a valley. The second thing I wanted to make sure I marked as a technical analysis technician is, am I ranging or am I trending? And right now I could see very clearly, even though the overall trend was up, we have stopped and we are ranging. So in looking at this particular trade, I noticed a stop, and another stop. So the continuation of the trend seemed improbable. And what I wanted to see is when was the majors lines going to go through my trend line, which they did on the next candle. Boom. See? Right through rejection. This was the entrance to the trade. 8 pips is what I ended up taking right there. About 8 pips. And as you can see, it didn't take long. There's the first win of a 2-to-1, right? So you risk $100, you won $50. 10 minutes later, you win a 1-to-1. So if you risked $100, you made $100. Almost an hour later, you hit a 1-to-2, where if you risked $100, you made $200. That's the trade of the day. Thanks for joining us. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Do you want trade alerts sent right to your phone, plus access to our daily live trade webinar? See how you can start generating extra income by trading our money, risk-free, and sharing in the profits. With our auto trade feature, you can go completely hands-free and trade without emotion. Head over to daytradeu.com and get started today. Your 30-day money-back guarantee makes it risk-free to try.